Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, before the video starts, can you do me a quick favor? Can you kindly like the video and subscribe as I'm just starting my YouTube channel? Please, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to redeem the LinkedIn 12 months premium program in Nigeria because it has been quite difficult to redeem this. So I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how to actually redeem it and what to do and what not to do. All right. Now, on the Microsoft official page, you're going to see get 12 free months of Microsoft 365 Premium and LinkedIn Premium Career. You're going to click on the sign up button and it is going to redirect you to the page where you're going to start registering for this offer. Now, note that this offer is going for a limited period of time. It's going to end by February 26th. And so, if you're watching the video and it is before February 26th, then you are in luck because you should be eligible to register for the offer. Now, usually we would like to follow the prompts and go through what the Microsoft requirement is, but for Nigerians, this is quite different as there are some technical issue when it comes to verifying your academic status, and so that's what I want to clarify in this video on how to go about your academic status. Now you're going to click on next, and you'll be asked to put in your payment method. Now you can choose PayPal, you can choose credit card, or anyone that is available on you. But now, there is a vital thing that you need to change, which I'm going to show you later. But for now, let's continue with the process on how to actually claim this free LinkedIn subscription. Now, take note the payment verification is very important for Microsoft and it can be skipped. So now we're going to move on to adding billing address. So for my billing address, I was ignorant at this point. I'm not going to lie. So I just put in some random details to just help me to pass this process because all I just wanted was the LinkedIn premium. But then I'll still show you how to update this billing address in coming minutes of this video. So but with that, just put the details of your billing address if you are in Nigeria, or if you are not, ensure that you put the right billing address or put a billing address before you continue. Now, usually after the billing address, it is just follow the prompts and move on. So you're going to accept the terms and then put in your student email. Very important, it has to be a student email. So I put in mine, and this was the error I got. The student email or the university is not registered among Microsoft's listed university. And so I try to use my other school email, which is my other university, just in case if what I was in was, or maybe it was that university. But I tried another university and it was also different. So what I did next is to try a different method of verification, and I was taken to another page to continue my different verification method. And so this is where I want you guys to listen to closely on how to do your verification. Now the page has fully loaded up. Now it is going to ask us for some extra additional information. So from here, I put in my name, my email address, and then my country of residence, right? And click on verify. But still, the verification failed at this point, and so I knew that I can't use the direct method since my university is not registered under Microsoft Verified University. And so what I did next was that I clicked on I want to provide documentary proof. Then I went back to fill up my details once again, and then this time uploaded my documentary proof, which was my admission letter, and then clicked on verify. Sorry, I had a call and so the video had to cut. But after I click on verify, immediately you're brought to this page. So there's no moving forward. Microsoft has to verify your academic status before you can then move forward. And so we have to wait for about 3 to 5 business working days before Microsoft can confirm if I am a student or not. So I'm going to show you the email that comes with my verification status. Finally, about 3 days after, I got this mail from Microsoft that my academic verification has been completed and I'm eligible to redeem the LinkedIn Premium. So what I did next is just to click on the link and then it takes me to the other page that you guys just saw now. And so from here, I have access to, I can now continue my verification process. So I'm going to click on the start process and hold on. Now, one thing that I needed to change was the country, and so change it back to my country, Nigeria, so that I can do my billing address completely and fine without any issue. So I'm going to confirm that, and it's going to ask me to put in my payment method once again, which I'm going to click on next. Or rather add my payment method. Then for Nigerians, I would really recommend that you make use of VAV card, because I used the Visa card and I kept on getting some decline. I used two different Visa card, but I used my OPay and checked for my VAV card, and that worked with no issue. So use VAV card and then tell me how it goes. Is they are going to charge you about 15 naira and refund you. And so now that my card has been added, next thing is to click on continue and wait. So after some process, voila, I have access to LinkedIn Premium. Now I'm to wait for about 7 days for the voucher or something to come into my mail. And also, I also have access to 12-month free trial of Microsoft 365 Premium, which covers the Microsoft Word Premium, Excel, Visio, and a lot of things around the Microsoft 365. I believe it's quite helpful. Then also, I am LinkedIn as some promotional content or promotional, like 3 months Spotify, 4 month Notion, which comes with premium. So you can check that out as well on your LinkedIn page. And with that, guys, please kindly subscribe. It will mean a lot to me for this content to blow up. Thank you so much. See you guys another time.